What's going on YouTube? Your boy Mike D, Hold'em Hook TV. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Me, Captain Hook, and the Lip Ripper went out and got on some white bass. I know you guys are used to me catching crapping, but believe me, I haven't abandoned the crap. I actually been doing a little bit of crappie fishing periodically before I go white bass fishing. But right now I do this every year. I'm just trying to stock up my freezer for the winter time, because me and my family, we love to eat fish. I just want to make sure that we have enough fish to take us through the winter. And with that being said, I just love catching and chasing those white bass and stripers, man. I just love it. That's second to me after chasing crappie around. So I'll be getting back to the crappie fishing pretty soon. Never really stopped, but I'm just doing a little bit multi-species fishing right now. If you guys like the content that you're seeing, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, share the channel, tell a friend, so people you know can become a part of the Hold'em Hook TV family. Don't forget, when I get to 1,000, my 1,000 subscriber, I'm going to be giving away a 1,000, excuse me, subscriber. I'm going to be giving away a big giveaway. I gave one away at 500, so I give another one away at 1,000, and it's going to be a pretty big giveaway. So hit the like button, comment, subscribe. Like I always say, you can't catch them at the house, on the couch. Till next time, YouTube, which y'all know will be real soon. I'll catch you on the next one. Enjoy the video. Captain Hook got him one. Little candy. Little candy. It's a stripe or a white bass? White bass. Little white bass. Wind out here today, but guess what? I'm gonna still get on some fish. I had one too. Let's go.
They right there where you at? Yeah. Yeah.
Trying to get close to us. Me too.
Big one. So we just caught two big ones right here.
Captain Hook on again.
Where you at, boy? Where you at, boy? There we go. Oh, this is spot. This spot. Look at this head.
Mm-hmm.
Get in there, boy.
They all mixed up together. What you got there, Hook?
Oh, just a little spot.
A little sandwich?
A little sandwich. Step on your phone, bro.
I ain't gonna step. Huh? I wonder if we came out a little bit too far.
We're gonna drift it off again.
Yeah. I don't know how big it is. I don't feel like it's that big though. Small one. Shit.
Right there behind you.
Where you at, Joe? Come
No, you go. Get back that way. I got a decent.
Yeah, they sure do feel decent too. Yeah. Hold'em Hook TV. Cam Hook. Boy. Yeah, that's a nice one. It's a nice noise too. Oh, it's a nice one, man. Oh, that boy big. Hey, nice white bass there, bro. Here, won't come up. Might have two on. I did have two. The other one got off. Popped my doggone line. To the weight, it was the weight.
I'm about to go get him. The one that caught your line, I'm gonna get.
Yeah, the weight doggone. Put his behind this thing too. I felt the weight. That was definitely two. That was definitely two, man. Messed up my damn my double rig back. Whew, boy. And Captain Hook having a blast. The lip ripper over there. I don't know if y'all can see him, but he over there. They don't tell him what he doing. Yeah. I got my bad now. You good? Get him, Hook. What you got? Captain Hook got an old another nice one. They'll hold them hook boys, man. We don't mess around. Don't play around. Don't F around with the F around. Oh, man. He won, Yeah. We got him in the boat, yeah. Just sitting there trolling, man. Crazy. Mm-hmm. Hey, that live well going for though. Man, these white bass out here, man, we having a blast out here today, man. He's talking about holding some hooks. That's what it's all about, baby. Let's go up into that mouth. We can't never get there. We're trying to get up to the mouth. I just let it, ain't trolling, it just popping it every time. Can't even get to the spot where we're trying to get it. You have one? I'll tell you. Hey, that one for landing right there.
Yeah. And eat you all the way up. Can't wait.
Huh? Like that? Oh man.
It's off.
I'll just cut it on. I don't know, that was a tree. What the fuck? That's crappie there. Oh, Hook got on a crappie there. Mm-hmm.
That came from the bottom. That crappie came from the bottom. Coloration was
Man, we gotta take a little lunch break right quick. This lunch right here.
ain't no food. What food is that?
The food right there, shit.
It's bow tie.
Captain Hook got the bow tie. Lip ripper.
I need to go get me some dang food.
Man, somebody out there bring us some Chick-fil-A. Let me get that spicy chicken with that pepper jack cheese. Lemonade, light ice.
On that point, I just parked the boat and on that point, so I
Alright, you about to get back at these fish. Hold'em Hook TV. Yeah, feel like you're okay. I don't know yet. I just came my drag. I can't. I don't want to tighten it up too much. Even that big. I'm just spooked. Spot. That's why. Little spot. Little spotty bass. Why they couldn't be going the other damn way, man? Little spotty bass. Get them back in the water. Oh, let's get in here and get another one. Little parachute. I had to goddamn. Look pretty decent. Oh yeah. Oh, I done ran into something right here. Now, ain't that shit crazy? Oh. Yeah. Spot. Nice spot too. Open your mouth up. Hey. So I'm eating them shad, man. That's all got feathers on the what? A football for real too. Football. Captain Hook got one on. Out here in the rain. Whoa! Yes, sir.
Hold him hook.
Hold him hook. I'm gonna hold it. Make sure I hold his neck.
Oh, it's a big one. See the stripe on white?
I see it there too. Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's a big one.
Hold him, Captain.
I'm trying. Look at it.
You got him. You got him.
There you go, there you go, there you go.
Got one on. I don't know yet. I ain't really digging. It ain't like a tiny one though. Oh, I got two on. I got two on, man. I got something at the bottom of it too. Look at it. Just put them up. The other one, the other little bit of one I ain't. Look, I told ya. I knew it was two. Cause I seen both on flash. Whew. You must be spot man today, huh?
I don't even know why that little one is.
Oh no.
He should let that pass.
They lay foot in them spots, boy. They got so much spots in here, it's a shame. With that being said, you see the little 4-7, huh? Right there. With that being said, we need to eliminate some of these spots. So you know what that means? Go in there and join your football buddy. Cut him off. I don't even know why he even got on there with him.
That's why I said, man, you should have let that shit pass.
Get in there and get another one hooked. Big ass crappie, man. Good God Almighty. He barely hooked. Big old crappie. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Oh, white crappie. He warm too, man. Hold on. Hold 'em Hook TV. Look at that. Big old nice white crappie. Beautiful fish. Beautiful. Shoot. Hold on. Hold on. Get in here and try to get some more. I'll get my line fixed. Yeah. I won't be surprised. That's some crap over here, man. Messing with them shad. Hey, look, got something. Y'all want? White bag. In the rain. Hold on. In the rain. Where was that, man? Let's sit down right quick so I get over there. That boy SK always be talking about them bull ramps too, bro. So let me get it back over there. Huh? Huh? What else? Oh, that's what it was? It was like right up in here somewhere, wasn't it? Oh, man, I don't feel like it's that big though. I don't feel like it's that big, but it ain't. Shoot, it's all about running. Big enough. What is it? Another white bass. Another white bass. Another nice white bass. That's why you gotta get out the house and get off that couch. Yes, sir. Right up under that bridge. You went to the store today, huh, Captain? It's raining, windy. Me and the hook still out here doing our thing. Hold'em Hook TV. Captain Hook on. Oh, throw the motor in on. Get them on in here. Little striper. Temperature didn't drop too, boy. Hold'em Hook. YouTube. Mike D, Hold'em Hook TV. Hey. Time to head to the house. I didn't got wet enough today. It's time to go. Yeah. Me, the captain, and the lip ripper. We had a good day today. We caught some, you know, we caught a little, you know, we caught enough. You know, can't catch them all. But I tell you one thing, you can't catch them at the house on the couch. That's one thing you can't do. Like I always say, y'all remember that. Hey, captain.
Get off that couch now. Let's go.
Hold'em Hook, boys. Get off that couch. You got something to say, Lip Rip, before we get out of here?
Yeah, I'm trying to get on up. I caught a few old white bass, but hey, it's better than nothing, though.
Yes, sir.
On a rainy,
nasty day. All right, y'all. Mike D, Hold'em Hook TV signing off. Till next time on the next video, y'all know that's coming real soon. Hold'em Hook TV, and I'm out.